got it? So therefore, where there's Arjuna, the pure devotee, and Krishna, there'll be morality and righteousness and victory and opulence and beauty, all these things. There'll be Shri. Well, Shri is already there already, Srimati Radharani. Wherever there's Krishna, there's automatically Shri. Then victory, Vijay. Wealth, Bhuti. What is the greatest wealth? Hello? What is the greatest wealth? You don't count. You're assistant professor. They heard you. Yeah, Prem, come on. How many times have you been around? Who asked who and said what? Who asked who and said what? Come on, man. Who asked what? Who asked what and who said what? Mahaprabhu asked Ramananda Roy. Yes? Who asked what? From whom? I mean, Lord Chaitanya said, who is a Dani? Who is a Dani in this world? Who is a wealthy person? And Ramananda Roy said, the wealthy person is one who has Krishna Prema. So here it says, Shri. It says Tatra Shira Vijayo Bhutir Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama. Sanjay is saying it's Mati Mama. Matir Mama. It's Mati Mama. It's my idea, it's my conclusion, my realization, Matir, my conception, intellectual conclusion, that this is a fact. Listen, Dhritarashtra, you're going to lose. So that means that wherever there's Krishna Arjuna and everything they represent together, there is victory and opulence and beauty and morality and righteousness. So wherever there's Krishna and the gopis, or anyone following the gopis, Gopi Anugata, there will be beauty, good fortune, Shri, and victory, Vijay, wealth, Bhuti, Nitir, morality, and righteousness. And Dhruva Niti means well-being and strong, continuous. So therefore, this word Yogeshwara, Yogeshwareshwaraha, in 1029.42 indicates that the Ras Leela, the gopis, rather than being abject immorality or irreligion, is the zenith of religion and the zenith of morality. This is what the meaning of the word Yogeshwareshwara is.